Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this angel ray glowing body effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this. Hopefully they'll be able to detect the background and the foreground. Let me just copy and paste that and remove background on the second video. Okay, it's good enough. And I'm just going to copy and paste that again. On this video, I'm just going to select it and I'll go to adjustments, go to curves, and we're going to drag the white all over to the left, like that. Then I'm going to go to the effects section and I'll go to light effects and add the angel one to this one. I think I need to add it here. Let me see if I create compound clip. Okay, I think I have to export this first actually. Okay. Actually, no, I don't. I'm just gonna add that there. And then I'm going to copy and paste that and place that on top. Go to basic and then again, remove the background. And then that's pretty much it really. You can adjust the color a little bit if you want to the glow here. For instance, you want it to have a little bit of blue. I don't really know how to do it, but you can kind of adjust the colors, but I'm just gonna choose to keep it like this because it's already pretty. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!